Welcome to my channel Decor by Amna. I hope my viewers you are fine and happy. Today I am here with a new video and the video is artificial plants decoration. Artificial plants decoration ideas. Plants add a luxurious feel to your living surroundings. Flowers can improve the visual appeal of your decor, whether arranged in a vase or used to liven up a space with potted plants. Indoor plants, on the other hand, can quickly become high maintenance, and not everyone is born with a green thumb. If you want to add some gorgeous plants to your space but are concerned that you may injure them, artificial greens are just way you need. So I compiled these beautiful artificial plants designs for decoration and styles of different colors plants, and I hope you like these plants. If you are looking for some artificial plants for your home decoration, so you can choose artificial succulent plants, artificial palm trees, artificial cherry blossoms, artificial ficus plants, artificial hanging plants, artificial baby asparagus hanging creepers, moss leaf hanging creeper, purple bougainvillea hanging creeper, artificial color ferns, artificial roses, artificial small lily, artificial spider bush. And if you are looking for some large plants, so you can choose artificial 5 feet long cactus in pot, artificial medium moss stick plant, artificial real touch green phyllo with pot, money plant, real plant, artificial jasmine plant, natural coffee wood stick, 3M anthurium plant with pot, jasmine plant and coffee wood stick, open rose plant red color, pink camellia flower plant, cherry fruit plant, artificial areca plant, 5-head real touch peacock plant, croton plants bushy, caladium plant line, and many others as you can see in this video. I hope you like these stylish, different, colorful, green and colorful plants. However, you might choose artificial plants to embellish your interiors. If you currently manage a balcony garden, terrace garden, front side grass or backyard garden, artificial plants can enhance the charm of your home's elegance. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching.